So what are the uses of JavaScript? JavaScript is a client-side scripting language. So that means that it executes on the browser on the client side. Therefore, there are several uses of JavaScript. One of the uses for form validation, validating the online forms. So in general, if you go to any most of the websites where there you have certain forms which has to be entered by the user. For example, there is an application form in which the user will type his name, his phone number, or email address like that. So this JavaScript can be deployed for validating that. What is that validation meaning there is, suppose for example, in the email text box, I have to type valid email address. Any email address will contain the @ symbol. The @ symbol will be present. Suppose I type any an address, email address that does not contain the @ symbol, means immediately I should get a response that you please enter a valid email address. So for that, we have the JavaScript, major use of JavaScript. Then for reading and writing the HTML elements. HTML elements we have got in HTML5. There are several elements, web-oriented elements for web pages. Several things are there. For example, you can see that form validation, username and password, login form. Generally, username and password will be there for login form. For that, and for reading the all HTML elements. HTML contains several tags. So for that, the JavaScript can be used. Then for even you can handle the forms or perform actions through the mouse by the click of a mouse. So the JavaScript can also be used for action-driven content. You click at anything on the web page. So for that also you have to validate. So that for that purpose also we have the JavaScript. Most of the events are mouse driven. Most of the or touch driven. For example, you go to Amazon.com. You can see there are several ads or things that are appear on the web page. So those things can be executed or can be done by a click of a mouse or by a touch. So that action-driven content also can be made use of JavaScript. Okay. So JavaScript, these are the major uses of JavaScript scripting language. It is a client-side scripting language. Okay. Now, most of us think that JavaScript is equal to Java. It is not like that. Java is a object-oriented, pure object-oriented programming language, whereas JavaScript is a client-side scripting language, which does not require any compilation for execution, whereas Java requires compilation and interpretation for its execution. Okay. Now, why do we need JavaScript, or generally we call it as JS, for having a trust between the for the client side form validation. Okay. And there can be a situation where there can be several security issues can be there in a web-oriented form application or form filling. So for that and all, the JavaScript can be made use of by the web-oriented programming, web-oriented programming. Okay. Now, a case study on JavaScript was made, and what are the advantages are, it saves the bandwidth. The speed of data transmission can be saved compared to other scripting languages. And also it saves the CPU time on the web server. The load, many clients at the same time may access a particular web page. In when you go for counseling and all, there may be lakhs of students who will be accessing a website, or when the results are released. So those kind of things can be done very easily using JavaScript than the other scripting languages. So it saves the CPU time on the web server, eases the load for clients with more serious needs. That serious needs means at the time of publication of the results, all students of a particular university or college may visit the website and type their register number, name, etc., which will be validated by which can be validated very easily by the JavaScript than the other scripting languages. Okay. Now, the scripting languages, there are other scripting languages like HTML, VB script, and JavaScript. But JavaScript is object oriented and it is more user friendly than the other scripting languages. HTML mainly used for designing the web pages. Okay, so JavaScript verifies the forms on the client side before communicating with the web server. So all verification and validation, not verification, validation will be done at the client side. Then only it interacts with the server. This is the advantage of your JavaScript. Okay. Now JavaScript can also access all forms of a page via the forms array. So that is the advantage. Okay. If you use JavaScript, we can have or enable the property called as document object, where it can access all forms of a page via the forms array. We can have the array. What you can see in the screen is a function called as verify, where it verifies all the elements that are entered by the user in the online manner. Okay, script type is equal to text / JavaScript function verify alert form verified. Once it has been verified, it will send the message form verified to you. Okay, so these are the advantages of using the JavaScript.